Not sure about the hash brown.
I've just been Googling about Boulder City because I like to find out things. It's so much bigger than what I thought it was going to be. It is scary looking down there. I was really craving some vegetables as well. I keep wanting to say Magic Mike. Welcome to another Vegas vlog. We have hired a car today and we are going to the Hoover Dam and then we're going to see wherever the day takes us. We've got the car till about 7 o'clock tonight, so let's see. I think the first stop is we're going to try and find an IHOP because we are starving. It is 7:30 in the morning. Chris is just getting used to the car. We've got, what have we got? A RAV4?
Yeah.
RAV4. It's nice actually, it's spacious. So it's got no sat nav, so he's putting all the details into his phone and things. Hopefully in a few minutes when the old Google Maps kicks in, we'll be on our way to the Hoover Dam. First stop though, breakfast. I am going to go for a breakfast sampler. 2 eggs, 2 bacon, 2 sausage, ham, hash browns and pancakes.
Not sure about the hash browns.
They're not like McDonald's hash browns.
No, sometimes they put onion in it. I might have a split decision, the next one down.
Split decision? Oh, you've had that before, I think. 2 eggs, 2 bacon, 2 sausage, 2 triangles of French toast. And here is breakfast. Pancakes. Oh, it looks like they put cream on them, doesn't it? But that's butter. Your French toast. Right, I'm going to dig in. We are now in Boulder City, which is about 9 miles away from the Hoover Dam. I've just been Googling about Boulder City because I like to find out things. And it has a population of 15,023 people. Yeah. And did you know, Chris, that Boulder City is one of 2 cities that prohibits gambling, which is considering you.
Nevada.
Is it in Nevada? Yeah, it's in Nevada. Yeah, there we go.
In a quarter of a mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto US 93 South Boulder City Parkway.
Chris just said it reminds him of Greece around here. I agree actually.
Yeah, all like, you know, Spain, Greece.
All the mountains and stuff.
Same sort of thing, you know.
So there's a checkpoint before you go to the dam. Roll down all windows at checkpoint. So I think they check in the car and stuff. We'll find out in a minute. That checkpoint was fine. Basically you just have to roll all your windows down. They check in the car, they check in the boot, just to check you haven't got any firearms or drones and things like that, because obviously they don't allow that over the dam and stuff. So here it is. Wow, it's huge!
That's just a bridge down there.
Yeah, I can't see the dam. But it's so much bigger than what I thought it was going to be. I don't know why I thought it was going to be small.
You might be able to see it now actually if you come around the other way. There you go, there's the dam.
I can't quite get the angle right with the camera. We just parked the car. They've got a car park with a... Whoa!
Damn!
Oh, ba-boom. They've got like a big car park and it's got like a food court and all that kind of stuff. Look! We're in the car park and you can see the bridge. Right. Let's go and do some exploring, shall we? First I need a wee.
this moment. No one can tell where we should.
Oh! he was scared. It is scary looking down there. That is a long way.
James Bond film on this.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, didn't he run down it?
Well, you told me earlier this is where, what is it, on Transformers?
That's where Sector 7 is.
It's where...
For God's sake. You know that.
I'm sorry, I forgot. It's impressive, isn't it?
Sector 7.
We're just leaving Hoover Dam now and it is 10:37. We timed that perfectly. Look how busy it is now getting in.
We've done a quick stop.
Yeah, we're only there for an hour.
Didn't pay for the tour.
No, we just wanted to see it. I'm glad that we've seen it. And look how busy it is now. So there's a top tip. Get there early if you can, because it gets pretty busy. So the next stop on our little road trip today, we are going to, it's like an artwork piece in the middle of the desert, and it's called the 7 Magic Mountains, and they're like different colour boulders all stacked on top of each other. So we're going to go there. It's about, how far is it? About an hour away, so it's about an hour's drive, so that's where we're going next.
Changing the truth about our common soul. To say we know it's real, something to put belief in.
We've arrived at the 7 Magic Mountains. It's so busy. I never expected it to be so busy. Anyway, before we go over there, we stopped off at Walmart and got some bits and bobs for like a little car picnic. So we're going to sit and have our lunch in the car and then head over. The aircon is really nice. So we have some lunch and then we'll head over to the Stones.
As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotions, pretending land was our home. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
So there we go, they are the 7 Magic Mountains. I keep wanting to say Magic Mike. The 7 Magic Mike. I think this particular piece of artwork is here until 2020 or 2021, I can't quite remember. But it's quite astounding actually, because they're properly solid. I didn't think people would be allowed on them, but yeah, they're not moving, they're not budging. There you go, that's what they're...
Rotted together or something maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, there must be. Must be. But anyway, Chris is not really impressed by this place.
No.
Chris wants to go to the outlet to go and look at trainers. He doesn't appreciate culture. Several hours later now, look a bit different. We're ready to go out for the evening. This afternoon, after we went to the 7 Magic Mike. Magic Mike's, the 7 Magic, what's it called? Mountains. After there, we went to the Las Vegas Premium Outlet.
Yeah,
is that what it's? The South one, thank you. Mr. Chris, Google Chris Maps. We stayed there for all of half an hour, went to one store, a trainer shop. He was done.
In out 10 minutes.
Yeah, he bought 2 pairs of trainers, of course. And then we came back, chilled out. I had a bath. Chris watched Ice Road Truckers.
Chris is still watching Ice Road.
And Chris is watching Ice Road Truckers. Yes, he is, look.
Like a marathon.
He's still watching Ice Road Truckers. Anyway, we're going to go out for the evening. We are going to go to... I need to go to... Huh?
Paris.
Paris, yes. We're going to Paris. Going to the Miracle Mile shopping centre in Planet Hollywood because I need to take some flip-flops back that I bought. Because I only tried one on and that seemed okay. Got back to the room, tried the other one on, doesn't fit properly. Very random. And then we're going to watch the fountains because we haven't watched the fountains since we've been here. So going to do that. I don't know where we're going to end up for dinner. Not sure. I'm going to go to the spa downstairs and see if they can do my nails because I don't know if it's going to pick up on the camera. Don't think so. There we go. They've gone dirty. What is going on? I don't know if I've reacted to some water or I don't know, but they've gone like horrible. They're just dirty around the edges. So I'm going to see if they can sort my nails out at the spa tomorrow morning. And yeah, anyway, should we go? So we have come to Planet Hollywood for dinner tonight. We thought we'd try out one of the buffets. This is the third time we've been to Vegas and we've never done a buffet until tonight. How are you finding it? Is it alright? Yeah? This was $25.90 per person. Yeah, and you get your drinks included as well with that. And they've got quite a selection actually. You've got like American, Italian, the seafood, the puddings are all there, Asian, Mid-Eastern, and then there's like Mexican salads all over there. I won't vlog too much because there's lots of people around, but it's quite a good selection. I was really craving some vegetables as well, so I'm going to tuck into this now. It looks good. Beaten by the buffet. I don't do very well with buffets, to be honest. I had that first plateful and then I went back for just a tiny bit more meat and some vegetables, which I didn't eat, and some mashed potato. But this buffet is very heavily meat based. There's not a lot of choice for vegetables. I am really craving roast potatoes and broccoli and they didn't have that. So I've just been and took my flip-flops back at the walking company and they had a bigger size. I tried it on and the same thing again. One foot was bigger than the other, which is very random. So I got a refund. We've just been perusing the shops and we're now waiting for the rain show. So the other day we had to wait like an hour for a show. We weren't going to wait, but it's only 5 minutes till the show's on, so I thought we'd stick around and I'd film it. So it should be on any minute. Getting a bit steamy. Steamy, steamy, steamy. Oh, I can feel it. You do get rained on a little bit. Probably best to stand back a bit. Oh yeah, look, we're right above the water. There we go. That was the rain storm inside the Miracle Mile. Right, should we go to Paris now? I'll take you to Paris, babe.
I'll take you to Paris.
No, I'll take you to Paris. I would say that Arc de Triomphe is pretty much to scale. Oh, he's going without me. Circle. Oh, it's nice in here. Oh, look at the reception. That is fancy pants. Look down here as well. Is Chris waiting for me, as usual? How cute is this little restaurant? Wow. That's so cute. Paris, it will take you to Bally's casino. We don't want to go down there. I want to go back and look at all the Paris stuff. I'm going to go and do another lap. So that is the bottom of the Eiffel Tower that is outside. Well, one of the corners of it anyway. So there we go. That was Paris. I think that's one of my favourite hotels. What do you think?
Quite nice area.
Yeah. I kind of wish that we'd spent a bit more time in there now. Right, it is, what time is it? It is 10:10. Well, I'm flagging. Are you flagging? I'm so tired. Let's go and watch the fountains and then I think we'll end the vlog. And we're back in the hotel room. Chris is watching Ice Road Truckers. Still on. He loves this little sofa area. He's made us a cup of tea. I'm already in my pajamas. I'm gonna do a foot mask. And yeah, that's gonna be us for this evening. But I did want to show you something because I bought a couple of bits in Aldo while I was at Miracle Mile. I bought the most obnoxious pair of earrings and I just love them. Look at those, if it'll focus. Focus. Look at those. I'm gonna wear them tomorrow night. And I also bought, here we go, I bought these. Look at them. So there we go, they are my purchases for today. Chris bought trainers, I bought accessories. Oh, I also bought a pair of jeans in Walmart when we were there earlier. I didn't vlog it at all. But yeah, I tried on a pair of jeans. They fit really lovely. They were supposed to be $17.87 or something like that. Got to the checkout, they were $5. Got a pair of jeans for $5. Anyway, right, I'm waffling. I will see you guys in the next vlog. I hope you enjoyed this one and I'll see you next week for another one.